back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. If you're looking for some really easy Christmas or holiday nail art, then I have 3 ideas for you. These are definitely more minimal, they are super easy to create. You only need a toothpick, a dotting tool, or a bobby pin to create these, so these are super simple and really fun and definitely festive. If you're new here, then I'll let you know that I'm doing Nailmas this month, which is basically the nail artist or nail polish enthusiast version of Vlogmas. So I'll be posting as many videos as I can from now until Christmas, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss any of the new uploads throughout the month. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First design I'll be showing you is this really cute red and green polka dot manicure. So for all of these designs today, you will need a base coat, a top coat, and for this manicure, you'll need a red polish of your choice and a green polish of your choice. These could be cream, shimmer, glitter, whatever you want, just red and green. To start this design, you'll want to take your red polish and paint your pointer and your middle finger with that, and then you'll paint your ring finger and your pinky with the green. If you want, you can switch these up, you could mix and match them, but for the purposes of this design, I decided to go with this pattern of the colors, and I was able to get these 2 opaque in 2 coats. By the way, if you're wondering what polishes I'm using for any of the designs today, I will do my best to link them down below, or at least list the names so you can check them out if you're interested. Once your base colors have dried, you'll need a dotting tool, or if you don't have one of those, you can absolutely use a bobby pin or a toothpick. I decided to go in a bit of a pattern with my polka dots, so on my pointer finger I did 2 dots, and then on my middle finger I did 4, and then I repeated that pattern on my remaining 2 nails. So you could totally play around with this. If you want to do a full nail of polka dots, you can do that, but if you want to keep it really simple and a little bit minimal, this is a really great design option. I think this looks super cute, and of course, as you can see, some of the polishes don't show up great over each other, so if you need to do 2 coats of each polka dot, that's fine too, and I just love how this turned out. I think it's really cute and festive, and it kind of reminds me of ornaments. If you've watched any of my recent videos or been on my Instagram, our next design is no surprise to you. So for this one, you'll need a really pretty dark blue. This could be shimmery or just a regular polish. You'll also need some kind of gold glitter, or you could do silver if you want. You could even use white if you don't have any glitter polishes. So I'm starting off with 2 coats of this gorgeous polish by Zoya. And like I was saying about the Instagram and YouTube thing, I have absolutely loved this kind of winter night sky look and this really deep blue color. If you saw over on my Instagram on my stories, I posted some pictures of my bullet journal setup for this month, and this is basically the color theme. I just saw this polish and it really made me think of that kind of artwork, and it's so pretty, so I decided to do a manicure in honor of that. So you'll just want to start with 2 coats of your blue polish, and this could even be a black polish if you don't have blue, because that could also be kind of night sky-ish, so whatever you have will totally work. Once again, you'll need a dotting tool, bobby pin, or toothpick. So now you're going to take your gold polish or white polish or silver, whatever you're using, and you're just going to create some really simple star shapes. Now, this is not meant to be detailed at all. You could totally just do more polka dots in various sizes. You could create some kind of asterisk kind of symbols. That would be really pretty too. And I just did a couple of these kind of sprinkled in the corner of my nails. I actually only did 2 of my nails just because, like I said, I was going for a way more minimal look today. I just love how this looks. These polishes look so pretty and so sparkly together and just really magical. So however your polish combination turns out, it will look beautiful and just really, really pretty. Our last design is this really pretty and unique sugar plum sparkle design, and I say unique because the colors are. So you'll need some kind of neutral color or a brown. You'll also need a cream color or a white if you don't have that. And finally, you'll need some kind of purple. I chose this really sparkly one, but you could also just use a regular polish if that's what you're interested in. So first I painted my pointer and middle finger with this really pretty shimmery brown from the new OPI holiday collection. It has a really unique shimmer and I really like it. And then I painted my ring finger with the cream white kind of color and my pinky with the really sparkly purple. By the way, how pretty is that purple? I'll actually be including that one in my China Glaze holiday swatch with me video very soon, so stick around for that. So with these polishes, just paint 2 or 3 coats depending on what kind of polishes you're using. Let them dry in between and then let them dry before we continue on to the next step. So unfortunately for this next part of the video, I actually forgot to press record before I started this design, but here's the finished product and I'll explain what I did. So again, you'll need a dotting tool, toothpick, or bobby pin, and you'll just want to create some swirls and squiggles, and you can add some polka dots to fill in the space and just kind of create a really fun pattern on your accent nail. I think this looks so pretty. This might actually be my favorite manicure of the day just because it's super unique, so you can do that however you like. And then on the rest of your nails, you can add some dots of the other colors. I decided to do 2 purple on my middle finger and then 2 white on my ring finger, and that's it. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing the tutorials for these 3 really simple manicure ideas. I had a great time coming up with these. It was really fun just to create some super simple designs that anyone can do. Even if you're a beginner nail artist, these are super easy, or if you are more of an advanced nail artist, these are great if you just want to break from the really intricate designs. I think these are really fun and there's something here for everyone. So question of the day, let me know in the comments which of these was your favorite, or if you're going to give them a try this holiday season. Like I said, I think my favorite is this one. I just think it turned out so pretty and I love the color combination. If you recreate any of these manicures, definitely share on Instagram with hashtag TSNinspo so I can see and share it with our community. If you'd like to follow me over on Instagram, I'm at 360nails, and if you want to check out any of my ebooks, you can click the link in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again very soon. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye! Oh, Christmas.